Here we have BMW f10 530 diesel 2010, and I will show you how to remove the electrical fan for this engine or this model. I've already removed that metal plate. It stays here. You gotta remove mostly Torx screws. Here, all these bolts. The cable, which is for the hood latch, it's attached here on these clips, and just remove. Once you do that, you need a flat screwdriver, and there are clips here. Just push the clip right here and then pull up this side. Let me show you. Pull up, just like that. On the other side, same thing. And then pull up. And right here, it sits hose bracket, which slides in right here. And you just remove it, and then just pull up the fan like that. You gotta be careful with the hoses. And now you have enough space to work on a pulley or belt or vibration damper, everything, water pump.